So good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday morning and as you guys can see, coffee first because why not? So today is going to be a chill day at my house because it's a gloomy day. It seems like it's going to rain and yeah, it's kind of cold and I want to be home all day. So I'm going to be cleaning, deep cleaning my house, and then so I'm going to be putting some of the girls' clothes away. Most of the clothes that Eliana is wearing doesn't fit anymore. She's like outgrowing them. And hopefully I will be sending all that clothes back to El Salvador. So soon I will be sending a box to El Salvador. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Salvadorian, 100% Salvadorian. Both of my parents are Salvadorians. Whatever clothes that we don't wear, whatever shoes that we don't wear, we send them back to our home country for our family members, just to give it away, you know, for people who need stuff like that. Because I feel like if you give it away here in the United States, like people just throw it away and it's like a waste of like money, waste of clothes, and people take for granted a lot of things, you guys. So I'm gonna be sending all the girls' clothes, like so the girls' clothes have been used or worn one or two times, and obviously the ones that have a lot of stains that they use every single day, obviously I will be throwing those away. But the ones that do look okay, I will be sending back those to El Salvador, because if I give them away out here, it's just like I know they're gonna go to the landfill and nobody's gonna use it, and there's people that actually do need like the most basic thing ever. And I remember when I got pregnant with Eliana, that's what I did with Hennessy's clothes. I literally packed all of her clothes and sent it back to El Salvador, and I'm talking about like a big huge box, you guys. I will be showing you guys soon the box that I am talking about, because it can hold a lot of things, and you're basically sending like brand new things and used things to your family members, and then those that are like used things, they give it away for people that actually need it, you know. And this right here are my tablecloth that I took to my mother-in-law. I think it was like a month ago or a month and a half ago, because she was doing something like a small gathering and like a little comidita for everyone. Then I'm just gonna take the tablecloths over there and then like make it look pretty. So that's what I did, and she just barely gave them back to me, and she always forgot, and I always forgot to ask. I'm gonna be cleaning my house, and yeah, it's just gonna be one of those days, you guys. So I hope you guys actually stay and watch the video. And then this is the clothes that I'm going to be arranging and then determining what doesn't fit Eliana anymore and what doesn't fit Genesis anymore, and then I'm just gonna put it away, like set it aside actually, and then yeah, because I'm building a box, you guys. Okay. Hi. 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 Hi, mi amor. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. So she is hungry, you guys, and I'm about to, here, I have to close the room. So I have to close the room, you guys. I just don't know how to do it. I have to hold the DGI with one hand and also hold her hand, because she would go inside and yeah, she'll try to lock the doors and I don't like that. So you're hungry, right? Tener hambrita. Get hambrita. Oh, yeah, Alright, so today is one of those days, you guys, where I'm so lazy and it's 2 p.m. and we still haven't showered. But we're going to shower right after we eat because, yeah, we don't want to be dirty. So I gave her some banana. So this is what I'm going to do for lunch. Butternut, squash, and caramelized onion raviolis. I get them from Costco. These are so freaking good, you guys. And then this is a sauce that I like to use. It's also from Costco. The Rao's homemade all-natural premium marinara. It's really good. This and this taste amazing and the girls love it. And it's such a simple, easy lunch idea to do. And I already have like my pan right here, because I am going to like start doing them right now. Hennessy's, are you done with your banana? Okay, throw it into the trash. But that's what I'm going to do right now because the girls are hungry. Uh-oh, you okay?
I want a bad piece.
Okay, Mama.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
And this is the raviolis all done, you guys. Alright, so we made it to Safeway, you guys, and it's pouring outside and we all got super wet. My husband's like super damp. No, eso no, eso no, eso te hace que del estómago te duela. Husband's gonna make some smash burgers, you guys, for all of us. I don't eat beef, so it's only gonna be for the girls and him.
You eat chicken?
And yeah, I do eat chicken, but like poquito, like not a lot. Which I know I should because I need the protein, you know, but I don't know. I'm weird. I'm very weird. I'm picky. So he's gonna make those burgers tonight. We're gonna have like a little movie night with the girls. So that's exciting.